Or may nominate pa? Ani 4-0.
Oo.
Lost ka.
Ah! Nice one, Joff. Uy, nahubuan na eh. Nahubuan na kami doon.
Natawa na lang. Natawa na lang.
Kaya siya tumigil kasi nahubuan na siya. Indecent exposure. Ang lapit niyan, guys, ha? Finish nyo yan. Nasa loob ba si Johan?
Oh, yes, I found it.
Nasa labas? Pangkaliwete yan eh. Kung si Johan, pasok yan.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a nice one. Definitely. It's far. Behind the clouds.
Nice one. Good job. Come on, JR. Good passing, guys.
Nabasa na, nabasa yung ano niya.
So ano, okay naman pala yung mga injury nila.
Balik na daw.
Naka-recover na sila.
Balik na daw kayo. Balik na.
Oh, kayo naman na magpahinga. Good job. Sinong last man?
Holding with Kuya.
Ah, okay.
Mamaya.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dami-dami nyo dyan sa box. Bakit? Anong call? Outside?
Outside.
Ha?
Wala ka rin. Si ano eh.
Ingat ta, ingat. Good job.
Corner.
Ayusin nyo na yung corner nyo, please.
Wag mo usap. Put mo na ay.
Pwede ba matuto kayo mag-tsempo ng ano, bola?
May dala ba kayong bola?
Yan, 6.
Ah, ito yun.
Labas na.
Kala ko
Karate chop.
Sub.
Ang bait naman. Tinatama yung basura. You can't open it.
Tulad po kami.
Yeah. Before we get here. But it's just for a while. An hour.
What did you do?
Just
Ang dami kasi nilang paper.
8.
4. Kasi ko nagalit kanina kasi niya mag-isa lang siya eh. Tapos sinahod siya.
After battle.
Oh yeah?
Okay lang, medyo iba.
No, but I see. And only went this. I only went this back. Was worth the one.
What's what?
Guys! Lucy, can you give me the fan? Okay lang, dikit lang. Tinan mo?
So you can search up na lang on Safari. And then they'll tell you the lock number na. Just follow me.
Nako. Ready, Iko, ready! So you don't have to charge eh.
Because people doctor ko ano nanay din kami nagtagpo so na yung together sila 2007 so that
Tara guys.
And then one.
Woohoo! Sayo, sayo, sayo. Alright, good save, good shot. Guys, kukunin niyo yung bola. Lahat kayo nanonood. Nice, Josh. Oh, corner na naman yan. Huwag nyo na sayangin, please.
May nag-spray.
Si Lucy, yung alcohol niya, tita.
Ang bango nga eh.
Sa Watsons yan, di ba?
Very much is here or
down. I got it because it's still cinnamon.
yeah, it smells good.
And Nana let me buy the big because we're gonna go to Berlin.
You can put that in your. Did you put that in your bag?
It's a bit flat, I don't know why.
Ha?
So that's not the real shade. It just
Ano raw?
It's flat.
Ulit? Huwag ka na mag-short. May tao eh. Guardiado eh.
I think you need to reduce the pressure. Might break it ah.
Mababa. Dapat mataas, guys. Boom! Si Josh.
Nako ba?
Oo, nakuha ko. Medyo tumagilid nung naka-goal, pero nakuha ko yung buong play. Kaya dapat marunong kayo mag-heading lahat, boys.
You might regret it.
Right? And I can. Are you supposed to?
Please see the tunic. Cinnamon roll.
Yung character nito, the favorite character nito, sumang ba?
Si ate.
Favorite character nito.
Bango niya, no?
Nice. Okay. Careful, careful.
Oh, this is just a friendly.
Last 3 minutes. Tama si coach.
He doesn't watch it. Let's see
Nadulas. Sino yan, si Andes? Ang tawag ko na lang sa inyo, talipok.
May ano siguro doon.
Parang may ilalim.
Siguro.
Wala, careful.
Yes, I have the same.
Let's try it ito.
Ah, you're almost there. I think it's like longer. At home na. At least you have something to pour it.
Nice. Good, JR. Ingat, Josh, ingat. Fake yun, fake. Uy! Good try.
Si Lucy hindi nakasama sa Batang Pinoy.
Hindi, wala naman ng QC. Walang kapag-asa. Wala nag-organize. Good pass. Check your back. Huy! Buhay pa, buhay pa. Alaga sa bola, alaga. Handball. Ay, 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 kawawa. Ay, di, good job ka pa rin, kuya. Nakapanalo ka ng handball. Ay, di, tignan natin kung ready ka na ngayon sa penalty shot mo. O, chill lang. Simple lang yan, ha? Simple lang. Hindi siya do or die. Sure ball lang, sure ball. Ayos pa ng bangs. Simple lang yan. Corner lang.
So you can hear it.
See, that's the lock.
Very good, very good, very good. That's one.
Kaya dapat pag sa ano ka, nasa box ka, dapat nakatago talaga yung kamay mo. Delikado eh. Check your back. Walang keeper. Parang pinasa sa kay Basti. Wala na, nakatingin na sa relo yung ref. Pagod na rin ako, tapos na natin. Ang init eh. Ay, sayang oh. Pag nagka-connection yun si Lawrence saka si Josh, delikado yun. Nag-additional time siya dun sa mga injury kanina siguro. Okay, good try. Good job, boys.